Don't fall.
I used to be really good at balance, and now I'm all scared. I'm all old. Boots slap me in the face.
Girl, gon' take them heels off, those jeans off. Me, I fight, I go nutty on the team, huh? Haven't had that melon all day. Like to open up right away if I may. Sweet taste of the ear, gay man style, can't see my face. Reaching for that honey every move I make. If I don't get it, shades. So baby, pack smell about that case low. Stock up now, but I'm out high. Fruit in that morning and that fruit at night.
Come on, baby.
Mod?
No, you got it.
That's scary.
Honey all over cause I do it. So, you gotta be really still. Alright?
You can't look up at the camera, so I'm gonna fall. Try to be slick.
I'm loving that honeydew melon. She yelling that honeydew be telling honeydew drips. And I catch it on my lips sweet. Juicy thick honeydew for me. Eat the honey out the melon till it ooze for me. I'ma play with that fruit till the juice come through. You may not believe me, but honeydew.
It's so pretty and vibrant in your phone. It would be so nice in this summer.
A movie, you know, we had to keep going over and over.
Creating a film.
That room fellin'. Juicy now, call it watermelon. Pillow talk when it be swellin' up. Pumped up, just ready to eat up. Nice and right, perfect size, melon juice, honey pie. Candy fruit, oh my, can't get enough, don't give me another slice. Loving that honeydew melon. She yelling that honeydew be telling honeydew drips. And I catch it on my lips sweet. Juicy thick honeydew for me. Eat the honey out the melon till it ooze for me. I'ma play with that fruit till the juice come through. You may not believe me, but honeydew.